Do you want to know how to make money blogging and what the best way to get started as a beginner is? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I do not only have this YouTube channel, I also have a quite popular blog and website about free ways to make money online. And many viewers have therefore asked me about how to actually make money blogging and by creating a website and how to get started if you do not have any experience at all. So therefore, I wanted to share some information about that. I'll show you how I got started personally, myself, how I did everything step by step, and also share a bit about what you can expect so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you to make money online or not. So before I go over what in my opinion is the best way to make money or get started with making money by blogging if you're a beginner, then let's talk a little bit about the expectations, because this is one of the most important things to understand when you want to make money blogging. Because a lot of people expect that they can just write a couple of blog posts and then the money will start rolling in, because there's a lot of fake claims about how easy it is, so you can just copy paste and click a few buttons. That's not how it works. If you want to make money blogging, you can potentially grow it to a very good income by having your own blog and website, but you do need to be willing to put in time and effort. For most people, it will take several months before you will start getting any income at all, and then you can then grow it from there to potentially a full-time income. And in some cases, even a really good full-time income. But it will take time to even just start making a little bit of money, because it does take time to set everything up and start getting traffic and all this. And then there's different ways that you can start then monetizing, which I'll go over a little bit later how you can learn more about. And especially if you are completely new, you need to first learn how to do everything. And of course, that will take a little bit of time. That is how it is with everything. If you need to learn a new skill, if you need to set up something from scratch, it will take time. There is no magic button where you can just click a button and then start making a full-time income overnight, not by blogging, not by doing anything else. So that's just important to understand. But if you are willing then to put in time and effort to build your own blog and website and potentially start making good money that way, then I will share now the platform that I have used to build and learn about building my website myself. It is not the only method and the only way that will work, but it is just what has worked for me. And I have tested a lot of different options. And if you are completely new, then this is, in my opinion and experience, one of the easiest ways to actually get started. As mentioned, I just want to make it clear, this is only if you are serious about wanting to put in the time and effort. If you're looking for fast money here and now, you should use other options instead to just earn a bit of extra cash on the side. I also have many videos about that you can check out on this channel. But if you're serious about wanting to build something long term, then let me now show you the platform that I would recommend you start on. So in case you do not know, I also do have a website called paidfromservice.com, and I have a lot of information about free ways to make money online. And this is actually something I started before I started my YouTube channel. I put a lot of effort and time into my videos now on my YouTube channel because I love that. But still, every single week, more or less every single day, I still publish content on my website and blog because I still love blogging and sharing information in writing also. And the way I learned to do this and build this up is through a platform that I will now log in and show you how it works so you can find out if this is also the right option for you. So the platform that I started when I started a website and started my online journey is called Wealthy Affiliate. And it is a platform, you can sign up, I'll leave a link below, but before doing that, I just want to first show you a little bit more about what you get, because it's kind of an all-in-one website. If you want to start making money online by blogging, that's what it's specialized in. It has a training about a lot of other methods as well, but if you go, once you're inside and a member, you can go to the training and you see they have this online entrepreneur certificate where it has like 50 lessons, everything step by step about how to set up a website, how to do it, even if you have no technical skills and a complete beginner, how to set it up, how to write the content, how to monetize, how to start making money, everything there, step by step. That's one part of the training. They have all these 50 lessons. I will show you later how you can get access for free to some of the training to see if it really is for you, but that's just one part of the training. They also have these classes where they have every week they have live classes about new topics. Depending on your membership level, you get once a week, or with some membership levels, or with the highest membership level, you actually get more than 200 classes from experts every single year that you can keep learning. So there's a lot of training here to take you from no knowledge and all the way to an expert that can potentially earn really good money online. So this training is a part of the platform you get, and this is where I started my training myself. I did not know how to write a blog or to set up a website, and I learned everything step by step here myself. But what is also great is that you don't only get the training, you actually get all in one, because you also get the website tools where you can actually build a website with a very fast builder inside here. You can get the domain in here, and you can get a content platform that will make it easier and more efficient for you to create content. They have all these tools, and it keeps developing content constantly, and they have a live chat where you can ask questions and where you can get help if you ever get stuck, and people are very good at helping inside. So that's one option. They also have this research where it can help you, where you get access to this with keyword research to find the right topics to write about and all these things, and show you how to do research to find the right topic for your website. And all this is included in the membership. That's one of the advantages and one of the reasons that I personally recommend Wealthy Affiliate as a beginner, because you get everything step by step and all the tools. You do not have to go out and buy extra tools or anything else once you are a member. But let's talk a little bit about what the cost is of joining a training platform and a software platform like this, so you can find out if it's really for you. So Wealthy Affiliate actually offers something unique, and that is that you can sign up for free as a starter. As mentioned, I have tested a lot of different ways to make money online. I've tested a lot of platforms that give you different trainings, and definitely some other great options as well. And I'm also using other platforms where I learn continuously about different ways of making money online and optimizing and all that, because just keep learning is an important aspect in my opinion anyways. But something unique that Wealthy Affiliate offers is that they actually have this free starter package. I have not seen that anywhere else, especially not with this type of value, because you get level 1 core training, meaning the first 10 lessons of the training I showed you in there, completely for free. And this is really great. That's how I started myself also, that I joined, and then the first 7 days, because that's when you still get some support. You can stay a free member if you want to after that and keep building yourself, but you will not get the same support. You will not get all the training and all that. So you would eventually, if you really want to succeed, then it would be better to eventually upgrade. But what is great is that you can actually join for free and start the training, and then ask all the questions you want, and people are really usually good at helping there also. So then set it up step by step, see how it is. You will learn about how to choose a topic, how to set it up, all this, and then after that you will have a very good sense of whether this is something you want to do or not. So this is a very unique opportunity where you do not have to invest to actually test it out like that. And that's something I have not seen on any other platform. And then if you decide, you can upgrade to other memberships, and you can get a premium package, which is really, really great. You get like all the training, and you get support, and you get some research tools. You can see all the things that you get access to if you just go to the landing page. I will leave a link below so you can see that also. And you can get Premium Plus. It gives more benefits. But in general, either of these paid memberships is really, really great, and will give you like all the support and all the tools you need. And if you pay yearly, you get it even cheaper. You get a couple of months for free. And if you feel like you actually want to do this, but you do not have the money after you started, because it will take some time before you will start making money on a website, then you can use other free online earning methods. Like I have a lot of videos about that. I will leave a link in the top corner, for example, to a way where you can earn PayPal cash completely for free. What I would recommend is then you use that to potentially earn, we can easily earn $50 a month. You do that, spend some time doing that to cover the cost, and then this is your long-term plan. That's one way of doing it. Even if you do not have any money right now to then upgrade, you use free online earning methods to pay for this cost, and then the long-term plan is to put in as much effort as possible to build a long-term plan. If that is your goal, if your goal is just to make a little bit of money on the side here now, then just stick to the other methods. It really depends on your personal preferences. One thing I want to also mention is that I will leave my invitation link below, and if you join through that, we will automatically be connected, and I will also see if you ask questions, and then I will also be happy to actually help you inside there if you are serious. But again, this is only if you are serious about wanting to put in time and effort to grow this long term. So to sum it all up, it definitely is possible to make money blogging, and you can definitely learn to do it as a complete beginner. More or less all website owners started as a complete beginner, and I have tested a lot of options. And as mentioned, if you are a complete beginner and want to learn everything step by step and you want to get everything included in one package, then Wealthy Affiliate is, in my opinion, a really great platform to use. It's not the only training that will work, but it is the most cost efficient, in my opinion, that will show you everything and give you everything included in the membership. I am still a member there. I have learned a lot there. I'm also using other options for sure, but this is what got me started and built a very good foundation for me, and definitely an option I do recommend if you are serious about wanting to start making money blogging. So I will leave my link below and you can go there and sign up, and then I would recommend you to get started with the training and be serious about it. Put in as much time and effort the first 7 days as you can to test if the training really is for you, and if it is, then you can consider what you then want to do after that. But I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.